What's up YouTube? This is Nate, Teaching Technology, and I'm here to bring you a new unboxing video series. I've hands down the absolute best job in the world if you are a nerd like myself and you love technology. Couple that with being able to help people and make their lives easier, it just doesn't get better than that for me. So what do I do? So from a 10,000 foot view, I get to help people implement tech into their homes and their businesses, specifically in the smart home and network arena. I work with clients to assist them with their DIY smart home products like Ring or Philips Hue and Sonos, all the way to full network deployments and control systems like Control4 or Savant or Josh AI. I figured since we have boxes of products show up every week, it would make a great series to talk about what we ordered and how we plan to implement that for our clients. We'll dive into the kind of pros and cons of the different products and then the insight behind why we chose those specific products for that client. Hopefully videos like this help you if you're looking to start dipping your toes into those smart home products for your own home, or maybe you're hiring a custom integration company like myself, and this will give you a little background as to the types of products they're offering you and just give you a decent baseline. So let's jump in and let's see what we have going out for product this week. So I'm a huge fan of UniFi products. It's our typical go-to for 90% of our installations when we're doing network equipment. We offer to manage networks for our clients in residential and the commercial world. So Ubiquiti allows us to do this incredibly well remotely. So in the first box, we are going to open up a UDM Pro, which is Ubiquiti's really nice residential kind of all-in-one platform that is rack mounted. So this client is getting a network rack. It won't just be on a shelf. So you can kind of see in the power cord here, those little silver tabs are the rack ears for this. The UDM Pro not only acts as the router, but it also has a built-in NVR. So if you are looking to add cameras using UniFi Protect and keep it all in the same software and user interface suite, the UDM Pro is a really great tool for that. The next package that we have here is the Ubiquiti USW. This is a 16-port PoE switch. Again, rack mounted. Those little silver tabs in there are the rack ears. We try and use a network rack whenever possible, whether it is a fully enclosed or an open rack. It does just keep things cleaner and easier to maintenance long term. This client will be using quite a few different PoE products over the next 6 months. So we intentionally went with a larger switch than just like a standard 8-port switch. Next, we have Ubiquiti's Keystone Patch Panel. I've gone back and forth as to what is the best and what makes the most sense. I've done a lot of patch panels where they're individually punched down each cable into them. But lately we have been almost exclusively using Keystone patch panels. It makes servicing things significantly easier. And let's say one of our techs goes out for a service call and they're not the one that punched everything down. It's just easier. So here you kind of see me take a Keystone that we had kicking around just to show you how it just clips in. So each cable gets individually terminated into one of those as opposed to punched into the actual panel. The next box here is the access points that we'll be using for the same client. It is a retrofit, so it is a very old home that we cannot get to the second floor cable-wise. So we have been using these, the U6IW, so the in-wall access point. They're a sweet little piece of equipment. They work great as an access point. They have a 4-port switch on the bottom of them. And sometimes it's just not possible to get to where you need to with cabling, or the client's not willing to pay for what it's going to take to get the cabling there. So this will suffice and it'll do a great job for the home. The next package here is just some 1U rack blanks that we have. We have a sticker that we put on 1U blanks for all the racks that we put in. This just has like a for service call this phone number so that if the client has something go down, they can see our phone number easily and give us a call so we can help them. The next one here is for a separate client and is the Yale Assure 2 Smart Lock. This is probably the most frequent deadbolt smart lock that we install, and I actually have a full video coming on this one as well. So that is our weekly unboxing videos. All these products are going out this week. We will have install videos from these. If there's anything you'd like to see more of a deep dive on an individual product, let us know in the comments below, and we will see you on the next video.